Alright, so I've got my holes drilled out, and now that they're in the right spot, so another thing that I did was I took the fuel pump off the actual bracket just to make it easier to drill the holes in the right place. So now that I got the holes drilled in the right place, I'm going to mount up the bracket. Just gonna take that bolt, put that through there, put that bolt through there, take and put, where's the hole? That bolt did that hole. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is take these spacers and put them on the bolts so that when the bracket goes on, it does not rub against this brake line. Otherwise, when the car's driving, it will produce friction and it could possibly crack or break, which means you could lose all brake pressure in a matter of seconds, which wouldn't be good, because then you could not stop and get in a car accident. So that's why we have those spacers in. Uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna try this a different way. Okay, bolts push out. Put that there. Stay. We're gonna put lock washer on that one. Lock washer on that one. And we're gonna push in on the bolt so it stays in place. Tighten the nut. There we go. That's what we wanted. Alright. Now we're gonna do same general thing for this side. Push the bolt at the back. Then push it like that. There we go. Okay. Now that side's good. Check to see if we're decently level. Just need to push up on it a little bit. Alright, that side's up. Down. Alright. Right now for the top one. Whoop. Alright, now we just gotta snug all these up with our little handy dandy socket and wrench. Yeah, okay. Need to switch that to tighten. And the wrench is gonna go on the back side. Ow. Oops. Alright, come on. Alright, there you go. Alright. That one's tight. And you don't want to over tighten these because they could break. Alright, there's that one. Now for the last top one. Come on. Come on. Alright. That one is now tight. So now we can take our fuel pump and reinstall it. Got to take the nuts off to put it back on. Alright. Now we're going to take this and shove it up through there. That fits nicely. Oh. Come on. Alright, that's one on. Oh. There's two on. Get on there. There we go. Come on. Ooh. Get on the... There we go. Alright, that one's on. Alright, now we're going to take our crescent wrench. Find the right size that it is. And tighten away. Again, these want to be snug, but not too tight to where they're going to break off, because that wouldn't be good. Alright, you guys get the idea. I'll come back when I'm hooking up the brake lines.